Hello everyone, it's me Lamar. I'm pretty sure that most of you have heard of Movii app, which recently has become a hot topic in the market. And so today we are going to explore what are the functions of Movii app. So let's get started. Alright, before we begin, there is the need to get a referral code from an existing member of Movii. Apparently, a reward system is incorporated in the app itself. So it is very important to get a referral code from the person who introduced you to this Movii app. Alright? So let us start from the very beginning. Now, as you can see, as we enter the official login page, we can choose to either download the app or proceed to sign up for a new account through the website itself. Now as I click download, here, depending on the phone that we use, just choose either Android or iPhone to download the app. Follow along the procedure and you will get a new app right on your phone, simple as it is. Now, back to the login screen. For registration, click on Sign Up to register for a new account. From here, we could fill in all information that the Movii app requires. And as we proceed to the bottom of the page, fill in the referral code given by your introducer. Click on Agree to the terms and conditions, and then click Sign Up. So now, Movii app has notified me that I have successfully registered. It's a simple procedure. Now, let's try to log in with my newly registered ID. Back to the login page, fill in my username and password, click login. And voila! I have successfully signed into the homepage of the Movii app. Alright, since we are already here, shall we explore the homepage now? Let's see. There are different types of movies categories stated on the top of the page. When I click into horror, there are lists of movie trailers available for me to watch. Okay, back to home. The bell button located on the top right is to view the notifications. And for the man icon next to it, when I click on it, I can directly contact the customer service people from Movii. From here, I could type the message that I want or even attach any image or videos and directly send to customer service if I'm facing any issue with the app. Okay, this is convenient. What else do we have? Oh, there are a few buttons on the bottom of the homepage. Let's click on About Membership. Okay, there is some description on the different membership plans that we can read about. And video tutorial. Oh, these are the videos that tells you what to do. Something like what I'm doing right now. So do visit here for different guides if you are